Hi everyone, how are you? Don't waste your time during holidays. Spend all your time with books. That knowledge will help you to get bright future. Now we discuss about the degrees of comparison. Verbs have three forms. In the same way, adjectives and adverbs have three degrees. What are they? They are number one, positive degree. Number two, comparative degree. Number three, superlative degree. See, all adjectives are in a positive degree. If we add, see, if the adjective ends with consonant sound, we have to add er in the comparative degree. Add est in the superlative degree. For example, clear, it ends with consonant sound. We have to add er in comparative degree. Clearer, C-L-E-A-R-E-R, clearer. Add est in superlative degree. Clearest. Next, near, nearer, nearest. Dear, dearer, dearest. Deep, deeper, deepest. Fast, faster, fastest. Tall, taller, tallest. Cool, cooler, coolest. High, higher, highest. Great, greater, greatest. Great, greater, greatest. Add er in comparative degree, est in superlative degree. Next one, kind, kinder, comparative form of kind, kinder, superlative form of kind, kindest. Add est to kind. Next, poor, poorer, poorest. Next word, small, smaller, smallest. Young, younger, youngest. Long, longer, longest. Bold, bolder, oldest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Now, rule 2. If the adjective ends with e, we have to add r in comparative degree, est in superlative degree. For example, brave. Add only r in comparative degree. Braver, B-R-A-V-E-R, braver. Superlative form. Add only st. Bravest, B-R-A-V-E-S-T, bravest. One more example. Noble, nobler, noblest. Add only r in comparative degree, only st in superlative degree. Third example, fine, finer, finest. Next, able, abler, ablest. Next, large, larger, largest. Add only r in comparative degree, only st in superlative degree. One more example, poor, poorer, pure, purer, purest. Next, rule number 3. If the adjective ends with consonant, before consonant, if small vowel sound is there, we have to add another consonant. Same consonant. Big, bigger, biggest. Sad. Small vowel sound is there, consonant sound. We have to add another consonant also. Sad in comparative degree. Sad, sadder, saddest. Fat, fatter, fattest. F-A-T-T-E-R, fatter, fattest. Next, fit, fitter, fittest. Hot, hotter. H-O-T-T-E-R, hotter, hottest. H-O-T-T-E-S-T, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Now, rule number 4. If the adjective ends with ly, ends with y, we have to add IER in comparative degree, IEST in superlative degree. For example, kindly. Remove y and add kindly. Remove y in comparative degree and add IER. Kindlier, kindlier. Add IEST in superlative degree. Kindliest, kindliest. Next, lazy, lazier. Remove y and add IER. Lazier. In superlative degree also remove y and add IEST. Laziest. Another example, busy, busier, busiest, busiest. Next, mighty, mightier, mightier, mightiest. Next, easy, easier, easiest. Happy, it ends with y na. Remove y in comparative degree and add IER. Happier, happiest in superlative degree. Happiest. Tiny, tinier, tiniest. See rule number 5. In rule number 5, see, take one example. Small, small. See, this is small. 2 syllables are there in small spelling. Na? Any word has more than 2 syllables. See, beautiful. Take one example. Beautiful. It has more than 2 syllables. Beautiful. Beautiful. See, it has 4 syllables. If any adjective has more than 2 syllables, we should not add ER in comparative degree and EST in superlative degree. We have to write, see, beautiful. It has more than 4 syllables. This is positive degree. In comparative degree, before this word, we have to add more. In superlative degree, we have to add most. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Most beautiful. One more example. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous, expensive, more expensive, most expensive. These are the examples of rule number 5. Rule number 6. For these adjectives, we should not add er, est in comparative and superlative degree. We have to change spelling. See, what is the comparative form of good? Good or well. Good or well. This is positive degree. What is the comparative degree of good or well? Better. Better. Superlative degree. Best. Good, better, best. Or well, better, best. In the same way, bad or ill. Bad, worse, worst. Or ill, worse, worst. Much, more, most. Little, little, less, least. L-E-A-S-T, least. For, former, F-O-R-M-E-R, former, foremost, F-O-R-M-O-S-T, or first, foremost or first. When do we use these degrees in a sentence? For example, if we describe one person or one thing, we use positive degree. For example, this is, now we are describing one thing. We use positive degree. This is a small book. Small is positive degree. Now, if we compare two things, if we use adjective to compare two things, we use comparative degree. In comparative degree, we add here to small. See, this is smaller than this book. This book is smaller than this book. If we describe two things, we use comparative. If we compare two things, we use comparative degree. This book is smaller than this book. If we compare more than two things or more than two persons, we use superlative degree. For example, see, now we are comparing this book to more than two things. Now, it is the smallest book. We say superlative degree. If we compare one thing to more than two things, we use superlative degree. In superlative degree, we add est to the adjective. Small, est, smallest. It is the smallest book. See, positive degree. It is a small book. Comparative degree. We are comparing two things. It is smaller than this book. Now we are comparing more than two things. Then we use superlative degree. It is the smallest book. In comparative degree, we use than, T-H-A-N, than after adjective. In superlative degree, before adjective, we use T-H, the smallest, the tallest, the brightest. Try to write like this in your examinations. Okay, bye. See you.